Paid around $100 per each question you answer and withdraw your money directly into a PayPal account. You can do it worldwide, no matter in which country you are located right now. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can actually make money online just by answering some simple questions over and over again. And before I'll tell you how you can make it, please subscribe to my channel because I'm making content about making money online every day from now. And if you are interested in making money online, you really need to subscribe and also comment down below what type of video you want me to upload next time. At first we need to go to www.schoolslover.com. So here we are. So how actually this website works? Every day people all around the world come over to this website in search for answers to their questions. Actually they post questions, and if we can answer their question they will pay you for answers, so you can make even up to $100 per each question. So I think this is really cool. And some of the users of this website make thousands of dollars by doing this stuff. So when we come to this website we can see that it's mentioned in such big resources as Forbes and other big companies. So we can trust this website that they will actually pay us. So if you scroll to the bottom of this site, we can see right here top earners section. So here a person with a nickname Expert Solution made $9,000. The second is Mean Akshi made over $7,000 and Tutor Master $6,000. So I think this is a very nice amount of money for answering questions using internet. So to start using this platform you will need to create an account. So by clicking here to the register button, you enter your username, enter your email and create a password. Then click the finish registration button and just log into your account. But I personally love that here we can join just by using Facebook account or Google. So let's talk about how much you can get for one question. You need to go to this answer questions section, and here we see a decent amount of questions people want to receive the answers on. Latest questions, and here willing to pay is how much you can get for answering the question. And we got here $2, $1, $50, $45 questions. But take a look here, we have a sort by button. When we click on it, we can sort questions by category here. And what we want the most is the sort by minimum price willing to pay. And let's just try to type maybe, I don't know, $10 minimum. Alright, so now we have $50, $45, $10, $50, even $150 questions, and this platform has got 300 pages with such high paying questions. So if you can answer about 10 $50 questions, you can make up to $500. I think this is a really amazing opportunity to make money online. And yeah, as I said guys, I'm posting videos about making money online every day from now, so subscribe to this channel and turn all notifications to watch new strategy to earn money online. And also like this video to save it in your liked folder on YouTube to watch it maybe once again if you need. And comment down below what type of strategy you want me to post next time. So hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye.